I'ma call her honey bun. I've been looking for you. Baby, where you from? I've been searching for you, where you been? Girl, where the hell you been?
Right here, my hair is dried. This is natural state. Okay, here is the Fructis Garnier Curling Sculpt Cream Gel that I will be using on my hair. It's going to help your hair to stay moisturized, and it's just going to make your curls a little tighter. So you want to put this on the ends of your hair and all around your hair. It's going to make sure that those curls are popping. So here I am. I'm just applying it all over my hair. You really just want to get it in there because some areas can stay dry. You can use the downsizing out, but I wouldn't say that. Girl, just use whatever you want to use. You know, we don't want you out here looking like Miss Frizzle with no frizzle behind hair. We don't want that. So this is the deep wave wig. It's 24 inches. It's a full lace wig, meaning that you can part it any way you want. And this is a wide tooth comb that I will be using. And this is better than using like the rat tail comb and stuff because it can damage your hair. This is just going to make your curls bounce. And it's going to give you a little bit more body. So you just want to keep on combing. Don't comb too much. You want to get those kinks out of your hair because it can, really tangled up while it's dry. So I'm just going to play with it. And here's the end result. The hair is pretty curly. This is deep waves, so you don't really have to worry about, the curls not popping. So thank you guys. Like, subscribe, and comment.